Hi guys! Today we are learning how to use Twitter polls. First, unlock your phone and open the Twitter, now called X app. Make sure you're signed in to your account before continuing. Once the app opens, you'll be ready to create and share a poll with your followers. After opening the app, look at the bottom right corner and tap the plus icon. This button is used to create new posts and gives you access to additional content options. Once the post creation screen appears, you'll see different options available. Swipe left through the menu until you find the poll option. This feature allows you to ask questions and collect responses from your audience. Now, tap the poll option to start creating your poll. The poll editor will open, allowing you to add your question and answer choices. This is where you'll customize your poll. First, enter the question you want to ask your audience. Try to make it clear and engaging so people are more likely to participate. A good question can help increase interaction on your post. Next, add your answer choices. Enter the first option in choice 1 and the second option in choice 2. These are the options people will be able to vote on when they see your poll. If you want to provide more options, tap the plus icon next to the answer choices. This allows you to add choice 3 and choice 4, giving your audience more ways to respond. Now, set the duration of your poll by selecting the poll length option. You can decide how long the poll will remain active before voting automatically closes. Before publishing, take a moment to review your question, answer choices, and poll duration. Making sure everything looks correct helps avoid mistakes and improves engagement. Once you're happy with your poll, tap the post button in the top right corner. Your poll will be published immediately, allowing your followers to start voting and sharing their opinions. And that's how you can easily create and use Twitter polls to engage with your audience and collect opinions. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment below for more simple tutorials.